Hello guys!
Dito sa river.
Yeah, pupunta tayo sa river with Josiah. Yeah. Dadalawa lang kami ngayon dito ni Pamangkin. Ayan. Ayan.
Dito.
Where? Pumunta sa ilog. Ayan, nandun yung ilog. Oh. Punta tayo.
Yes.
Yes, tara. Pumunta tayo.
Tayo sa boat.
Dito.
There's no more dog.
No more dog na. Wala na yung doggy. Ayun yung river. Ito yung river. Ayun. Oh. Ayan na, river na. Ayan, yung mga bangka. Ayan, sige, gusto mo dyan. Ayan o. Like to go there. Ayan.
Look a bridge. It's a bridge.
Oo. Ayan. No. Ayan, magkasama kami ngayon ni Josiah dito sa river.
And yun, nakasama dito sa bridge.
Ayan. May mga boat dun, bebe, oh. Ayan, oh. May mga boat. Kita mo? There's a boats. And this the, ito yung other side, ayan.
Look, boat.
Ayan. Look, where is the boat?
Dito.
Ayan, yung boat. You like to jump?
No.
Try to jump, bebe. Dali, jump ka.
No.
You can swim? You like to swim?
No.
You scared?
Yes. Yes.
Ayan, oh. What?
Circle.
There's a shark.
Yes.
Shark bite you.
Yes. And looks like a bridge. Oh yeah.
It's okay. Try to jump. Don't be scared. Are you scared?
Like that.
Like that. Ayan. Wow. I like to go.
Oh, in the circuit, we're going the boat. In the boat.
We're going.
Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yes. Oh yes.
We're going riding in the boat.
Yes. We're going riding
Gusto
in
daw
the
niya
boat.
sakay sa boat. Ayan. Tara. Let's play basketball. Okay.
It's your turn.
Look at me. It's your turn. Dali, shoot mo dali. Shoot the ball. Shoot the ball. Diba? Another one. Dali, another one. Shoot the ball. Hey, another one. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh.
Like that.
You can do it. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Look at me.
Look at this. Another one.
Look. Look, I found something. Look at the beetroot. Look.
Look. What's that?
It's a beetroot. Beetroot, right? The beetroot.
The beetroot?
Yes. It's kind of like a grape.
Like a grape.
Oh yeah. That's very cool. I know the it.
Dito naman tayo sa
Sagot
shortcut.
from that.
Shortcut ba to? Another way. Ayun, maglalakad-lakad kami dito. Yan, dito sa daan na to. Ayan. Dito sa path na to. Sige, lakad ka. Dali. Yan. Para makita ng mama mo kung gaano tayo kalayas. Yan. Para makita ng mama mo. Bebe. Come here. Don't go there. Come. Tara. Dito na tayo. Let's go. Like to climb? It's dangerous, baby.
Dangerous.
Yeah, dangerous.
I'm like a sloth.
Slot?
Yes.
I know. You're not a slot. Oh, hello. Yes.
There's a wheel.
What is that?
There's a wheel. Up the
Van.
Oh.
What's that?
This ants.
These ants. Yeah. Manulusbig talaga kayo sa pamangkin ko.
Uy, I want to.
So ngayon lang kami nagkaroon ng ganitong footage ng pamangkin ko. Ganitong banding namin. So lagi kami nagbabanding kaso nga lang ngayon ko lang siya na video ng ganito. Ha? Ngayon ko lang siya na vlog ng ganito. Kasi dadalawa lang kami dito magkasama. At yung mother niya at daddy niya wala dito na mamasyal. Hindi siya sinama kasi pumunta ng ilog. Kaya dadalawa lang kami dito sa bahay. At may sarili naman kaming garahe. Gate. Ayan. Kaya
Look at the red
safe kami dito sa mga sasakyan.
the flower.
The flower. Yan. Inglesero yung pamangkin ko kaya kung kakausapin siya ayan. English ang gusto niya. Medyo lumaki kasi siya ng Taglish yung salita niya kasi sa panonood ng mga movies. So karamihan niya ata sa mga bata ganyan na. Ano nga bebe?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. O diba oh yeah sabi niya oh yeah.